Search engine optimization writing, crafting content that ranks and resonates. Let's explore how to create content that not only appeals to search engines, but also engages and provides value to your audience. Search engine optimization writing is the art and science of creating content that's optimized for both search engines and human readers. It helps websites rank higher in search results while delivering value to the audience. Search engine optimization writing combines strategic keyword placement, high-quality, engaging content, search engine best practices, and user experience optimization. The core elements of search engine optimization writing are explained here. The first one is keyword research. It involves identifying and analyzing search terms that your target audience uses to find content related to your topic. Second, content structure. It is about organizing content with clear headings, subheadings, and a logical flow to enhance readability and search engine understanding. Meta elements refer to crafting compelling meta titles and descriptions that encourage clicks while incorporating target keywords. User intent means understanding and addressing the specific needs and questions of your target audience. On-page search engine optimization elements. Key hypertext markup language elements for search engine optimization. Optimization includes title tags, meta descriptions, header tags which are from H1 to H6, image alternative text, internal linking, uniform resource locator structure, and schema markup. An example of optimized hypertext markup language structure is shown here. Content optimization is a step-by-step process. First step is topic research, identify keywords. Second step is keyword analysis, prioritize terms. Third step is content planning, create structure. Fourth step is content creation, draft content. Fifth step is search engine optimization, optimize elements. Sixth step is quality check, review and edit, and finally publication. Here are some best practices for content structure. First, use clear descriptive headings. Second, keep paragraphs short, 3 to 4 lines. Third, include relevant subheadings. Fourth, use bullet points for key information. And fifth, include relevant internal links. A structure example is shown here. Keyword optimization tips are discussed here. First, the do's. Use natural language and variations. Example, search engine optimization writing tips and tips for search engine optimization content. Include keywords and important hypertext markup language elements like headers, meta description, and alternative text. Focus on long-tail keywords, for example, how to write search engine optimization-friendly blog posts. Now the don'ts. Avoid keyword stuffing. For example, don't write search engine optimization writing is important for search engine optimization because search engine optimization helps search engine optimization rankings. Don't force unnatural keyword placement. Avoid awkward phrasing just to include keywords and don't ignore user intent. Focus on only search engines, not readers. Essential search engine optimization writing tools includes keyword research tools, content analysis tools, and performance tracking tools. Under keyword research, the tools are Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs Keywords Explorer. Under content analysis, the tools are Yoast Search Engine Optimization, Grammarly, and Hemingway Editor. Under performance tracking, the tools are Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and Moz Pro. To measure search engine optimization success, you can use traffic metrics and engagement metrics. Traffic metrics includes organic traffic growth, click-through rate, and bounce rate. Engagement metrics includes time on page, pages per session, and social shares. Here is a search engine optimization writing checklist. Under pre-writing, research target keywords, analyze search intent, and create content outline. During writing, use proper heading hierarchy, include relevant internal links, and optimize image alternative text. After writing, check readability score, review meta descriptions, and test all links. Remember, quality content that serves user intent will naturally rank better in search results. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.